Children, next we are going to learn about glycol preparation, its property and uses. So, only one preparation, that is ethene or ethylene. Ethene or ethylene means two carbon atom, double bond, then balance, two bond, then two hydrogen. Here for this also two bond, so two hydrogen. This is IUPAC name is ethene, common name is ethylene. This is treated with cold alkaline potassium permanganate, that is called Bayes reagent. So here H2O, 2O and 2H are there. So OH, 2OH are there. Both are joined here. So CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called glycol. Two carbon atom, eth. Single bond means ANE. First carbon, second carbon. First carbon having OH, second carbon also having OH. So ethane 1,2 diol. This is the IUPAC name. Ethane 1,2 diol. Only one preparation. Ethene treated with cold alkaline potassium permanganate, otherwise called as Bayes reagent. We are getting glycol or ethane 1,2 diol. Then some of the properties. Here, this glycol consists of two primary alcoholic groups. Primary means carbon atom, the OH attached with the carbon atom attached to one more carbon atom. This is called primary alcohol. Similarly, this carbon attached to one more carbon, having two primary alcoholic groups. Now, some of the properties. This glycol, CH2OH, CH2OH, now treated with phosphorus triiodide, Pi3. The OH replaced by I. So CH2I. This is an unstable compound. Now this unstable compound, there is a removal of iodine forming CH2 double bond CH2. Both I's are removed. So this is called ethene. IUPAC name. Common name is ethylene. This one is 1,2 ethane. Next, glycol CH2OH treated with corn nitric acid in the presence of corn sulfuric acid. Water molecule removed, OH and one H from here, water molecule removed, remaining CH2NO3. I am writing like this, CH2ONO2. Here also CH2ONO2. Dinitroglycol or 1,2 dinitroxyethane. Dinitroglycol. Next, dehydration reaction. Dehydration means a removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. There are various types of dehydration reaction. Number 1, glycol CH2OH. When heated at 773 Kelvin, here one water molecule removed. So what we are getting? CH2O, epoxyethane or oxyrane or epoxide. Number 2, glycol treated with anhydrous zinc chloride. First a water molecule removed, one OH and one hydrogen from here, removed water molecule. So CH2 double bond CHOH. This is an unstable compound. beta elimination, OH from one carbon atom, H from other carbon atom. So this is called vinyl alcohol or ethanol. Here then undergoes tautomerism. Tautomerism means migration of a proton or a hydrogen atom from one atom to another atom in a molecule. See, this hydrogen atom shifted from here to here, so the bond migrates from here to here. This process is called as tautomerism. So when hydrogen shifted from here to here, we are getting CH3. The bond shifted here, so single bond CHO. This is ethanol, Al, aldehyde group ethanol or acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name is ethanol, Al, ETH, ANAL, ethanol. This is treated with anhydrous zinc chloride or dilute sulfuric acid. Under pressure in a Cl tube, it gives acetol. This is very important reaction. How acetaldehyde prepared from ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Ethanol, no, glycol. Number 3, dehydration, third reaction. Take 2 molecules of glycol, CH2OH. This is one molecule. Another molecule also take CH2OH. Treated with corn sulfuric acid. Here we have seen dilute sulfuric acid or zinc chloride. Here we are using corn sulfuric acid. 2 water molecule removed, 1 water molecule. Then here 1 water molecule removed. OH. So we are getting dioxane, CH2, 4 CH2, O connects 1,4 dioxane. Next reaction, oxidation. Glycol, when treated with nitric acid, oxidation. When treated with nitric acid or potassium permanganate, these two are strong oxidizing agents. First, the primary alcohol converted to an aldehyde group, CHO. This you keep it as it is, CH2OH. Then once more oxidation, aldehyde converted to acid group, COOH. Here keep it as it is. Then once more oxidation, this you keep it as it, this carbon aldehyde. Then next step, acid, COOH. This is oxalic acid. This is glycol, glycolic aldehyde, glycolic aldehyde, glycolic acid, glyoxalic acid, then oxalic acid. Then this oxalic acid also an oxidation gives both the this one, not this one. Glyoxalic acid also an oxidation directly gives aldehyde. This is called as glyoxal or ethane 1,2 dial, Al, aldehyde group. Otherwise this also converted to this one on oxidation, glyoxal or oxalic acid. Very important reaction. Next, one more oxidation, glycol on oxidation with periodic acid, HiO4. We are getting 2 product, formaldehyde, HCHO plus HiO3. Formaldehyde we are getting In a book it is given like this, HC double bond OH, this also it's okay, formaldehyde. So we are preparing formaldehyde, glyoxal, oxalic acid, dioxane, ethanol or acetaldehyde, epoxide, dinitroethylene, ethane, everything you are preparing from glycol. So glycol is an important compound and some of its uses given in page 122 in your book. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze in automobile radiator. Its dinitrate is used as an explosive with TNG. Two uses. This properties of reactions of glycol, everything it is given in the book page number 119. Page number 119 and 120, oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction, everything given in page 119 and 120.